Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2021 Ford Mustang or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Mustang. Power distribution box. The 2021 Ford Mustang's power distribution box contains fuses and relays that manage electrical systems like lighting, ignition, and power accessories. It features a labeled cover that makes it easy to identify each fuse and relay function. The box is designed for easy access, allowing for quick replacements and troubleshooting. Passenger compartment. Fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2021 Ford Mustang houses fuses for interior electrical components such as lights, audio, and climate control. It includes a labeled diagram on the cover for easy identification of each fuse's function. The box is designed for straightforward access, allowing for quick fuse replacements and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.